Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this great used 2017 294 RKSS Dutchmen Aerolite. It's going to make somebody really happy, a really nice used unit with a lot of space and a lot of versatility to it. First off, you have a really nice wrapped front cap, so the sidewall comes in, and so you're relieving as many kind of stress points along the seams and really protecting your walls there for the long run. You have two 7-gallon propane tanks off the front, a nice push button hitch, really like saves the arms and some cranking. Plus, you have a nice battery cutoff switch, so if you're storing it for any length of time, you can just flip that switch and it's going to save you from having any passive draw on your batteries and really kind of keeping those batteries alive for the long run. Aluminum frame, and you can see some of that aluminum frame inside right here and this huge pass-through storage. There is push button stabilizer jacks on this guy, so that even saves you a little bit more cranking there to keep this guy alive for you. Huge awning, big window on the side, and when it's a rear kitchen unit, it adds a lot of light to the really big open space inside. Let's go check it out. You went to right into this unit, a lot of open space, a lot of open space. It's a rear kitchen, so you get a ton of counter space. Solid surface countertops, not laminate there. Big double basin, stainless steel sink with some nice hardware to really make this easy for you. In these spaces, since you have the kitchen in the rear, nobody's stepping on anybody's toes while they're in the kitchen, while they're dining, or while they're lounging and watching TV. A lot of counter space. It means you can put a lot of stuff up there and it's not going to get in the way of any preparations either. Plus, it also means a lot of counter space, cabinet space up top and below in drawers. Your big fridge on the back, plus more cabinet space there. A big U-shaped dinette. U-shaped dinettes always turn into bigger beds when you convert them into beds. 6'6" across, really big, really plush. Right next to it, you also have a trifold couch as well. So if you want to have some extra sleepers in here, you can really accommodate quite a few people. And right across from that, you have your really big window, really bright, really nice. Plus the addition of your skylight right up here. Skylights always do a lot of work, making spaces feel really big, keep them in some natural light inside as well. Really nice recliners right here. They leash in, you can move them around, they're not bolted down, you can move those really how you see fit, move them in, move them out, and it really helps a lot. You walk over here, they did some smart designs as well. So they have a little station here to take your boots off, hang your clothes, hang your jackets right off the entry, and a little mirror to check on the way out. You have shower booth as well as a nice medicine cabinet up top, and this is right next to a really big and spacious bedroom that has drawers and a closet wardrobe space in addition to the hanging space on either side. There's a lot to speak to this trailer and a lot of room to accommodate quite a few people. So if you have any questions about it or anything else on lot, stop on by and say hello or call 773-655-7190 and ask for Jake. Thanks.